Welcome to this episode of Sridhar on Selling. A young person approached me and said, Sir, I've been watching your episodes for a while. They're very exciting, very interesting. So this person said, I sell a lot over video conference video calls. Do you have any suggestions for me? This episode is dedicated to her and people like her, those who sell over video calls. There is nothing very different from physical selling. The first few seconds, 1 minute, 1.5 minutes are very critical. The impression you make then is what is going to determine the future of that call. In a physical environment, you can see the person and perhaps he'll be too embarrassed to indulge in any other activity. But when you're selling through video, the person may be looking at you and maybe checking his mail. So you are not privy to what he is doing. So for you to grab his attention, the first few seconds are very critical. Let's look at this. Number one, get onto the call at least 1 minute before time. Check your equipment. Check the video quality. See that the camera is fine. Check the audio quality. Check the background. There are no noises around. And if possible, you are in an office environment or in a selling environment, see if branding can be there as a backdrop. If the branding is at the back, it registers in the customer's mind. Now, when I say branding, what do I mean? At the backdrop, you could have the company logo or the specific product that you want to sell. One terrific advantage video has over physical selling is you can perhaps pick up the product and show it. You can show the product in a work situation. So these are terrific advantages you have. Make the best of it. Now, the call has started. Greet effusively. Smile. This should give him the feeling that you are meeting him in person. Address by name, Mr. So-and-so. If you call the person by first name, hi Ashok, whatever. And most importantly, look at the camera and not at your screen. When you're looking at the screen, you're looking down on something and there is no eye contact. So bear this in mind, look at the camera. Since the buyer's concentration could be elsewhere, get into a conversation first. Don't start with business straight away. I saw your hoarding the other day, looks lovely. I heard about your new showroom, how is it doing? So this would generate an interest in the person to talk to you. Don't start straight away with your subject. If you have got an agenda, set that agenda straight. Sir, we are going to discuss about how to make your store more profitable. Sir, we are going to see how to utilize your space more effectively. Sir, we are going to see how to increase productivity per salesperson. So once the agenda is set, you control the meeting. You have set the mood, you have set the agenda, now you can get into the business. And there's a huge temptation in video conferences and video selling to make it a monologue. If one were to listen to soliloquy, there are Shakespeare plays. Make it conversational. Give the buyer an opportunity to interact. So he is at ease. Everybody likes the sound of his own voice. Give the customer that opportunity to voice what he or she has to say. A conversation makes selling a lot easier. So understand the basic rules. Be ready beforehand. Set up your audio video systems in place. Set up the backdrop. Greet warmly. Start the conversation with something not strictly about what you're going to say. Set up the agenda. Keep a conversational mode and sell effectively. Happy selling through video. Thank you.